Good morning from NPTI Florida. I'm Sherman. Hopefully you guys are having an awesome week. Today I just wanted to briefly discuss and talk about live in-person personal training education as opposed to online weekend certifications or any online hybrid platform for the personal training industry or any other industry for that matter of fact. So guys, let's take a look at it. Why live in-person education clearly is better than online, hands down. You cannot argue this fact. There's been research post-COVID that live in-person class much better. Greater job satisfaction, guys. When you feel confident, comfortable about the knowledge and the experience you have is going to lead to money and greater job satisfaction. You are going to be in class under the tutelage of motivated, degreed professionals, highly educated career professionals just like yourself. You want what they have, and they are here to demonstrate and give you everything they know to get you where you need to be in the personal training industry. Personal interaction with your peers, guys. When you're amongst your peers in the class, you guys are all passionate about the same thing in the fitness industry. You guys can work together, bounce ideas back and forth, study groups, network with each other, find out who's hiring, where we're going in the industry, income potential. It's an awesome opportunity. You just cannot do that online or over the phone for that fact. Our practical, hands-on lab experience, guys. You cannot become a fitness professional or any type of professional without a lab practical component. Automobile technician, cosmetologist, massage therapist. You must apply that live learning in a classroom every day. Role playing. Here at NPTI, we're really big. 30 days prior to graduating, we're going to role play the interview process, the business portion of the program. We're going to give you everything you need, no hidden secrets. So when you show up down in Miami, Equinox, Crunch, no matter what facility for an interview, you're going to feel comfortable and confident about getting that career and being employed by that entity. One-on-one tutorials, guys. Every Thursday we get together, we do study groups here in the break room. That interaction is so important. That's going to allow you to ask questions. If you're struggling with a specific area of study, you could ask questions. We'll go ahead and pin it down right there and then. You're not waiting for an email response, or it may not be clear, crystal clear via email. Learning styles. Our instructors are going to understand your capability, your specific learning styles. We focus on a wide array of techniques here. We're heavily dense population with our veterans. A lot of veterans suffer from PTSD. We specialize in PTSD training as well. There's task tension training, which we also specialize in. So a lot of individuals will take a test, take a quiz, panic. That's called task tension. We have specific ways to go ahead and circumvent those that level of tension for you to help you pass that test. The importance of live in person. Students can focus, no distractions, guys. I don't care, COVID, you're home, doorbell rings, dogs barking, babies crying. You're not focused 100% on the educational aspect of any type of core business. No distractions in class. Feedback. Our educators, our instructors can give you feedback on a daily, weekly basis. If you need some more personalized attention, we're there for you. Homework. We do allow study groups and homework in class. So when you get out of here, you may have a busy lifestyle, may work part-time afterwards, have children, kids, sports events. It's going to allow you to do study groups and homework in class. Most important part, you will graduate on time, guys. It's kind of a joke when you see study at your own pace, take as much time as you want. It's ridiculous. Get in, get out, get to work right away. We are going to ensure you graduate on time. Higher engagement in person. We're going to call upon you to ensure that you're retaining the information. That cannot be done online in a focused study group on the internet. Face-to-face is clearly more effective. There's been massive studies on this post-COVID. Face-to-face live interaction is the best. Learn in real-world gym. So you're going to learn for our practical portion, whether it's going to be here with us in our private fitness facility, Caltis Fitness Center in Tampa, where you go to HEW Hard Exercise Works. You're actually going to be surrounded with fitness professionals, people that have been in the industry for a long time, to where you could ask questions, find out what it's like to work at that specific facility. So guys, hands down, live education. This is all we do. This is all we've ever done for 22 years. If you're the type of individual who wants to become a personal trainer, have a fitness profession here in the next few months, I'd love to help you out. Give us a call, sit in on class, see why we're here, see what we do, get a good feel for it, be a personal trainer for the day, bring some workout gear, and we'll definitely take your industry to the next level if you have a passion for fitness. Give us a call, 407-772-0057. Follow us, NPTI Florida.edu. I'm Pat Sherman once again. Hopefully see you in the future. Thank you for following NPTI Florida, Orlando, Tampa. I'm Pat Sherman. We appreciate you guys following us, subscribing, and liking us. If you want to become a personal trainer looking for a fitness profession heading into the new year, give us a call, 407-772-0057. If you're one of our graduates of 22 years looking to increase your clientele and your income potential, we have a level 2 program, 600 hours, 3 200-hour modules. Give us a call, follow us, guys. Appreciate everything.